Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be doing a wig review on this wig. It's the Butter Lace unit, the number 5, and it's in a 1. And this is what it looks like. I'm going to be plucking a little bit around the hairline, but it doesn't necessarily need to be plucked. But yeah, I'm going to be installing this for you guys, so stay tuned. Look, I love how this turned out. It's really pretty. It is just a middle part wig, so you can't really do, it's not a 13 by 6 or anything, so you do just have the space to play around with it, but you can put it in 2 buns if you wanted to, or just leave it like this. This unit, I did get it in a 1. It's very, very pretty. It kind of reminds me of this wig, but the only thing is this wig is longer and you could do more parting with this wig, because this was a 13 by 6. So you can do way more parting with this wig, and it's longer. This one, I feel like it's a shorter version of that. You're up in the bun, or do the flip over method. Like, it's totally up to you. The flip over method with no part, it's totally how you want to do it. But yeah, Sensational, y'all did that. Like, I like this. I did purchase this wig from Wig Types. I know other brands have it, like Sam Beauty, Wig Types, Ebony Line. Them are like a couple of sites that do have this unit. And Amazon. But you gotta hurry up and get it in case it sell out though. So I don't know if they still have them. They might have them, they might not. But yes, this unit is bomb, ladies. Go ahead and purchase this. It's a nice summer wig, so yes, get into it. Thank you for watching my video. Tune in for the next one. Thank you. Bye.